Hey everybody, Lifefood.tv here, the channel of 100% life food recipes. Well, the highest integrity life foods here, with beyond raw, way beyond raw, and we're going way beyond life foods here. Keep following me, subscribe to Lifefood.tv, and here we go. We got today here, we got the a type of pine here. You can see the pine cones here. Now, all types of pine cone trees, they contain pine nuts, alright, and pine nuts have amazing amazing proteins for the body here, as we got the pine, a type of pine tree here. Now, pine nuts are a nut. They're not the high quality life foods, alright, but we're not here to harvest the pine nuts here. We're here to harvest these little tips off of the pine trees which grow in the spring. All the best harvesting in the world, one of the best times in the all along, well, I mean springtime around the equator, all the way up to about maybe halfway up to the north and down halfway to the South Pole. You know, it's a great time where everything is rejuvenation and rebirth. The rebirth connected to the liver as well, because the liver rejuvenates in the spring for everybody, and that's when our bodies are generally very, very healthy. So same with nature, everything's growing and brand new. So these little tops here, I've been juicing these and making soups for a couple days now, and I put like 5 or 6 of these in my soups. All right. They got a real Christmas kind of flavor and taste and smell, and they got a type of resin inside there as well, which is really awesome. Very sticky, so you can use it for different applications like natural glues instead of using toxic spray glues. All right, you can harvest out the resin in these as well, and so basically, you know, basically these are good for juicing. These are good for raw soups by blending them, and they're also good for salads as well. Yeah, however you want to use them in different ways. But this is the Lifefood.tv, so we do not want to be drying these and powdering up, because that is not life food. All right, that does not contain an aura, a living energy field, whereas these do. So we're going to harvest these guys, and look at the pollen here on here as well. Look at the pollen shake off here. You see all that pollen, pollination here going on with these, and that pollen is awesome. All right, so we're just gonna go by and harvesting. There's tons of them. Look at this little forest here. It looks beautiful. All right, so I'm just gonna get these, and you really only have, you know, a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks to harvest these, and other than that, you know, they're going to get all hard and hardy, and they're not going to juice up, and they're not going to have the great taste and the powerful life force anymore. Just like sprouts contain a very, very powerful life force, all right, because the sprouts are from the seeds, and the seeds contain all the life force to grow a tree just like this. As each of those pine seeds can grow a tree this size, it all takes time to germinate and get going. So there's tons of them here. I'm just going to take a nice amount here. There's tons of these all over the island here, everywhere. So you can go out to nature, way out there to get them. There's all different varieties as well. All right. Different kinds of pine trees that grow in different parts of the world too, different species. So we got a nice bit there. That's good for this round here. When I come back to harvest those seaweeds again, I'll get them up a bit more, because I'll be juicing these and blending them up for soups, and these will be gone fairly quickly here. It'll only take a couple days here to use these up. And so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we got another life food video here on Lifefood.tv. There it is, the pine florets, or the pine tips, the little newly fresh pine branches here growing off the top. All right, for another year, another cycle. Look at the beautiful pollination there. Breathe that stuff up right into your lungs and clear up your lungs as well. Just shake it, sniff that all up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Alright, and we'll see you next time for the next amazing Life Food video. Wild harvesting, shamanic wild harvesting.